Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really simple neutral look using the Supreme Seductress palette from You Can Be. We're going to start with this really light nude shade on a fluffy brush, and we're just going to apply that to the first half of our eyelid, and we're just going to really buff it out and blend it about halfway and almost up to your eyebrow. So it should look something like this. With that same brush, we're just going to take this light brown shade and we're going to apply that to the second half of our eye to the outer corner and do the same thing, buff it out almost to your eyebrow, but not quite. I like to go in small circular motions and just really blend it into that first shade that we applied and just really get it towards that outer corner. I also go in windshield wiper motions with a really light hand to really blend it out and fade it towards your brow. Next, I'm just taking my finger with this light shimmer shade, and we're going to apply that right on top of that first shade that we applied and use tapping motions to blend it into that lighter brown towards your outer corner. You're only going to go about halfway with this. Moving on to the lower lash line, we're going to take that light brown again on a smaller fluffy brush, and we're just going to apply it almost to the inner corner, but not quite. You want to leave a little bit of a gap. With another small fluffy brush, just take that shimmer shade again and bring it to your inner corner, and then we're going to fill in that little space that we left towards your inner corner on the lower lash line as well. Now just take a brown eyeliner pencil and fill in your waterline. We're also going to bring it up and tightline with that as well. Now we're going to curl our lashes. Once they're curled, just grab your favorite mascara that you have and coat your lashes as many times as you would like. I usually just do a thin coat because I do use falsies, but I know not everybody does. So you can do a couple coats. Just make sure you do the top lashes and also do your bottom lashes as well to make your eyes really pop and stand out. This is what it looks like with just mascara. You can either stop here or you can do like I usually do and you can add some falsies, but I wanted to show you what it looks like both ways. This is how it looks with the falsies. I just feel like it finishes the look a little better and just looks a little more complete, but that's up to you. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you guys next time.